how to turn on or turn off mono audio on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. From here, scroll down. Then tap on mono audio. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off mono audio. Now, if you tap on the left-hand side panel, in here you can choose to use mono audio for connected audio or for both connected audio and phone speakers. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.